Hello, in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to open and edit most Google Drive files offline with nearly just one click, in some cases zero. I kid you not, this really works. So in Google Docs, Slides, and Sheets, in order to do this, you will need to go to File, and then click Make Available Offline, here it is. So if you click that, it might ask you for permission if it's the first time you're doing it, and then it'll simply say document now available offline, and it is available offline now. Let me just turn off my internet access and I'll show you. As you can see, the offline icon is now here, and but I can still edit. I can type things. I can make comments. I could do most of the things you can typically do in a Google Doc or any other file, except you may have noticed I can't share because I have no internet, and I can't review revision history because it's not saved locally. Now, as I understand it, you can even refresh the page and you'll still be able to edit. And you can even enable the offline editing while your document is offline online to enable offline editing. If you have the tab loaded and it's frozen because it's offline, you can still go to the File menu, and the Make Available Offline button shouldn't be grayed out. If you click on it, you'll need to refresh first, and then you'll be able to edit offline just like I am right now. And this doesn't only work with Google Docs, as I mentioned. This works with Google Slides and Google Sheets the exact same way. Sometimes you don't even need to enable anything for it to work. And but that's not always. It's not very consistent. And with Google Drawings, you don't need to change anything for it to work. You can simply just open it from Google Drive, and you will be able to edit it as normal, of course, without revision history and sharing. You don't need to enable offline editing for Google Drawings. And if we go to Google Drive, let me turn on my internet again. So I'm now in Google Drive, and I do have internet access again. This will not work with maps or Jamboards, for example. To my knowledge, it only works with sheets, drawings, docs, and slides. And there's something else you can do here. If you've noticed, this icon is here. It says ready for offline. If you click on that and click offline preview, you can easily see what files are available offline. I can open the docs that I gave offline access to. I can open the slide that I put offline access on, and I can edit any Google Drawings that I have. And also, if I turn this back off, I can make files available offline from Google Drive instead of opening them and then doing it. I can right-click on this Google Sheet, for example. I've already done it here, but as you can see, I'm able to toggle it just like in the File menu when I open it. And that's essentially it. Thanks for watching, and I hope you find this useful.